Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the multipliers. It is one of the topic in the minutes design. So multiplier is mainly used for the multiplication of binary numbers, and in this syllabus we are having different types of multipliers. One is serial multiplier, array multiplier, Booth's multiplier, and the balanced multiplication. First, when you are going with the serial multiplier, this is the uses basic multiplication, and for the designing of this serial multiplier we are using the flip-flops, that is D flip-flop, which will be helpful to delay the sum and the carry. And next, when you are going for the array multiplication or array multiplier, for the designing of this we use the full adder and the AND gate, and the multiplication designing will be in the array format. For that it is called as a array multiplier. Next, third one is a Booth's multiplier. So basically the main advantage of this is it is used to multiply the signed multiplication, that is for the multiplication of signed numbers. And now the last one is balanced multiplication. Compared to all these multipliers, this will be the fastest multiplication algorithm because it uses the full adder and the carry save adder for the design. So in these three, when we are designing, it uses different types of flip-flops and full adder. The carry will be propagated to the next adder, so the delay will be more in this three multipliers. So when you are going for this balanced multiplication, it saves the carry and it will give the next adder for the next multiplication process. Now I will explain about the 4 into 4 balanced multiplication. So here we are taking 4 numbers, that is B0, B1, B2, B3 and A0, A1, A2, A3. And the multiplication is similar to the normal multiplication, that is here A0 into B0, A0 into B1, A0 into B2 and A0 into B3. Similarly, we are going to multiply all these numbers with the multiplicants, and the last, this will be the product of this two 4 into 4 binary numbers, and the last will be the product terms, and whatever will be getting here, that will be the carry. Now I will give the designing of this 4 into 4 balanced multiplication. First, for the designing, write all these product terms as it is here. Next, whatever will be left after this dotted lines, move upward direction and write this A0, B3, A2, B2, A3, B1 here. A1, B3, A2, B2, A3, B1. Next product terms which are A2, B3 and A3, B2. That will be added here. And next another one A3 and B3, that will be here. Now we know that the balance tree will be designed with the full adder and the carry save adder, and with the help of half adder also. So we know that adder is nothing but which adds up two numbers when you are going with the half adder, and it will produce sum and the carry. And when you are going with the full adder, it adds the three numbers, it produces sum and the carry. So the designing is based on this adders and the carry. Okay. First you see here, when you are taking the designing process, here we know that half adder will add with the two numbers. Here we are having A2 B1, A3 B1.